Hi NEET aspirants, welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma, and today in this video we are going to talk about the best strategy plan to revise biology in next 96 days. And trust me, if you will follow this strategy, definitely you people are going to score 350 plus marks. I have used this strategy many times, right? I have seen the improvement in the score of many students as well. So do watch the video till the end. If you're a dropout, this video is going to be very important for you. And even if you are in class 12th, you are looking for a revision plan, yes, you can watch this video, but yeah, few alterations will be there as per your board examination. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So the very first thing that you all can notice here is it is the 96 days biology revision plan plus 4 days mock test. Yes, in this revision strategy, right, bache, I will tell you about the mock test as well. Now come to the point. So this revision strategy is basically for December 28th to March 31st. Okay, even if you are watching this video in January or even in February, right? February still it will be too late, but yeah, February, if you are starting from 1st of the February, then this video is going to help you out. So very first thing that you need to understand is, see, in biology now, after the deletion of syllabus, we have total 32 chapters, isn't it? 32 chapters means to each chapter, if you will give 3 days, then you will have 96 days to revise the complete biology. Now you must be thinking that, ma'am, is it possible that we in 3 days we can cover that particular chapter? Of course, it's a yes. If you have just started your NEET preparation, still you can do this. You can do this. You know, there are certain chapters in biology like living world. It is the game of 1 day, right? There are some chapters which only need 2 days. So yes, you can save time and you can give that time to that chapters that need more than 3 days. So yes, overall, on an average, you can keep 3 days for each chapter, and trust me, in 96 days, even if you are starting from the scratch, even if you are starting from the zero, right, you can complete your biology syllabus. But what is the most important thing about this strategy video? Why is it different from other strategy videos, right? Why? Because here we are going to reverse the way we revise. In general, what we used to do, we go for the lectures, we read the NCERT, we make the notes, and then we go for the PYQs. But here there is a change, right? We are going to start with the PYQ reading. Now you must be thinking that, ma'am, why? Why is it so? See, when it comes to the biology means 50% of the NEET syllabus. So we cannot underestimate that. Guys, even still, if you are focused to get seat in AIMS, right, you have to make sure that you are getting 350 plus 360 marks, right? 360 marks, the perfect score in biology, right? And then you can score good marks in physics and chemistry as well. If you are targeting AIMS, then you cannot miss 360 marks in biology, and even, right, 150 plus marks in physics and chemistry as well. Even if you want to go for another medical colleges, especially in the south region, we know there are some medical colleges where cutoff is same like AIMS, so we cannot miss to score 360 marks in biology. So if you have started now, right, even if you have started now and you are targeting that good medical college, that elite institution, you have to start from the scratch for the biology. You cannot miss biology. Physics and chemistry, they will go with biology, but only physics and chemistry cannot help, only biology cannot help. Biology should be, always it should be your strong portion, and such strong portion where yes, you can get 360 marks. So first of all, when we start with the PYQ reading, because now you are starting, right, now you have started to revise. So when you will read the PYQs, you can buy any book for that, right? You can simply check online. You will get so many papers, right, as per the years as well. So you have to, even chapter wise, you should read the question. Let's say you have started the revision of cell cycle. So what will you do? You will read the PYQs. When you read the PYQ, you get to know the examiner's mindset. You get to know that yes, this is, right, this type of question used to come in NEET exam. So after that, whenever you will go for the lecture, right, you will make your notes accordingly. You will already realize that okay, that part is important and I'm not allowed to miss it. And obviously your teacher is also going to tell you the same. And then you have to make the short notes, the notes as per your understanding, then go for the NCERT reading and PYQ practice, right? So trust me, try it once, students, and do let me know in the comment section. Trust me, it is going to help you out. And you start with any new chapter, right, that you find boring, that you find difficult, start with the PYQ reading and then go for the lecture. You will see the change. Your grasping will be better, because now you know that this type of term was there in my PYQs. I have to listen to my teacher very carefully, right? So it will help you to grasp that topic better, in a better way. It will also help you to retain that particular important PYQ, important term for a longer period of time. So please start with the PYQ reading. Okay, so change the way you revise now. You have to do the hard work plus smart work. So change the way you revise now. Now, let's come to the most important units. Do I need to tell you the most important units? I think you all are aware. Genetics, biotechnology, cell unit, human reproduction, ecology, very, very, very important units they are. They are very important, and they are the most scoring units. So if you look for this, see, let's start with the most important units. Why am I with the most important units? Why can't we start with the diversity? This is my advice for all of you, because when you start a plan, right, initially you feel very motivated. You are highly enthusiastic. Now for next 3 months, next 4 months, you have to maintain the same thing. But still, students, when you start something now, you have that different energy, that different vibe, that yes, I can do it, right? At least for a few days, you will be highly motivated. Then there will be a dip again and again. Once again, you will bounce back. That's how our system works, right? You'll be highly energetic. You will feel low. Then there will be a down phase, and again you will realize that you cannot afford to miss even a single day. You have to follow this 96-day strategy plan, right? And we have to. This strategy plan is till 31st of March, from 28th December to 31st of March, right? And trust me, if you will follow this, you will get 350 plus marks. So to start with the cell cycle and cell division. Why? Because it is a very basic chapter, right? It includes all the concepts. If you understand cell division, you will not find it difficult in human reproduction unit. In the genetics, you are going to get benefit out of it. So start with the cell cycle and cell division. That's my advice. And yes, 4 to 5 questions minimum you can expect from this particular chapter. So do not miss it. Then come to the biomolecules. Many of you find the biomolecules difficult, but it is one of the most easiest chapter, right? You have to follow a proper, you can say that a proper flow for this chapter. If you have that flow, you are not going to miss anything, and you are going to love this chapter. So when you complete biomolecules, again, it is going to help you out in molecular basis of inheritance, right? And individually, again, minimum 4 to 5 questions are going to come from this chapter. It can be more than that. Enzymes, they are very important. Okay, so cell cycle and cell division, biomolecules, because now you know biomolecules, you know nucleic acids, right? You should jump to the molecular basis of inheritance. Okay, give 3 days to each chapter. That will be more than sufficient. You can follow our Game of NEET series, where in one day we are completing one chapter, right? So you can use that one shots. You can give dedicatedly that time to that particular chapter. And trust me, it's not like you have to give your 8 to 9 hours. No, even if you people are giving 3 to 4 hours, still you can manage to finish your biology in this way. Parallelly, you can focus on your physics and chemistry. So molecular basis of inheritance, then go for the biotechnology, because these chapters, they are interrelated, right? So you should finish together. You should finish them together for the better understanding. Students, if you really want to score very good marks in biology, please forget class 11th and 12th syllabus. Focus on one thing, and that is biology. Right? Forget about botany, forget about zoology, class 11th, class 12th, it is not going to help. It should be one thing should be there in your mind, that is your syllabus, only your syllabus. That's why I am relating everything. I'm relating everything. Now, after this biotech portion, you can go for the principles of inheritance and variation, and then the evolution. You are going to get one shot on this channel. You can check the playlist, you will find all the one shots there, right, bache? So when you cover only these, right, 5 chapters, you are making sure that you have completed 24 to 28 questions minimum, right? It's 100 plus marks. See, these initial 5 chapters can give you 100 plus marks. You can score up to 112 to 120 marks if you complete these 5 chapters. So imagine, from 360 marks you are done with your 120 marks. It is going to boost your confidence. Don't you think so, people? Yes, do let me know in the chat section. Don't you think so? Of course, yes. Of course. Then go to principles of inheritance and variation. Again, 4 to 5 questions, even more than 5 questions can be there. Evolution, the most important thing. Then go for the plant kingdom. Right, so I have mixed the syllabus, right? I have mixed the syllabus. Even if you want to go for 11th and 12th, you can still use the same strategy. You can divide chapters accordingly. Go for the plant kingdom, right? Understand the plant kingdom, then jump to the sexual reproduction in flowering plants, right? So in one way, right, together you will finish this part and you are going to love revising it as well. Then human reproduction, reproductive health, human health and disease. So it's all related. Reproduction related aspects will be covered here. Human health and diseases covered here. Then give yourself a break, because obviously initially you have covered the most important units, right? Again, this part is also going to give you around 100 marks, right? So you have covered your 200 plus marks, 200 marks. Let's consider it as 200 marks. So you have covered that initially. Imagine, initially you have covered that. Okay, so it will boost your confidence, and time to time, every day you have to give half an hour slot for the revision of what you have covered so far, right? You can pick up any chapter. You can pick up any chapter. So every day revision should be there. Even if it is for the half an hour, that will be sufficient for you, right? You can just practice questions, whatever help you out, just go for this. So after it, let's go for this living word. It's a game of one day. Biological classification. Revise microbes in human welfare with the biological classification. Somehow they are related. Then go for the animal kingdom, students. It's a time-taking. It's a time-taking chapter, but here you can save your days and you can give it to animal kingdom. Then structural organization. It is my advice that initially just go for the tissue. No need to start the frog and the cockroach initially. I know there are some new topics and you people are after that topics, but trust me, it's not going to help. Firstly, cover all other syllabus, all other important topics. Then after this, you can start the human physiology. It's your choice. You want to go for human physiology or the plant physiology first, purely your choice. Start with tissue, go for breathing and exchange, body fluids, excretion, locomotion, neural control, chemical control. 3 days are more than sufficient for these chapters as well, right? It is going to help you out. Even if you want to mix plant physiology, human physiology, purely your choice, because this portion, starting from this to this, right, it is another important part. It is another important part. 13 questions were there, right? In NEET 2021, 13 questions were there from the plant physiology only, right? So 13 questions, 15 questions can come from human physiology, plant physiology, another most important part. Okay, so you can mix it. So before starting the plant physiology, go for the anatomy of flowering plants, right? You will have better understandings of plants then move to the next part. You can keep these topics for the end as well, like in the end of the March. Okay, right, in the end of the March, because we have planned from 28th December to 31st of March. So in the March, these are the topics that you can target. Morphology, which needs revision. Cockroach and frog, repeated revision. Cell, the basic unit of life. Here also you have to remember all that functions and everything. Then organism and population, ecosystem and biodiversity. So if you follow this strategy, if you follow this plan, trust me, every day, but you have to be motivated. What is the purpose to make such videos? To tell you that this is how you are going to read? No, it's just to tell you that still you can do it. If you are targeting the very good colleges, very good government colleges, yes, this video is for you. And still, if you are focused enough, you are determined, you can do it. I always say one thing and I will repeat it today. If you actually want to shine like a sun, you have to burn like a sun first. Okay, so maybe you have started late, but it's never too late, right? And I hope you know that it's better to be late than never. So please go for it, give your best, right? You can do it. And in biology, if you will ensure 360 marks, trust me, even if you are getting 150 in physics and chemistry, you know that you will score 660 marks. So that should be your minimum. I always say, do not focus on the maximum marks that you want to score. Focus on the minimum. Like in my case, if I'll be at your place, my minimum is going to be 600 marks, that I cannot afford to score less than 600. right? 600 is my minimum, so I am going to try accordingly. So I want to see that in comment section, that what is your minimum, right? Minimum marks that you want to score in NEET 2024, just let me know in the comment section about it. I want to see that comments, because that will keep you motivated always. And bache, for that motivation, right, for that motivation, for telling you that yes, still you can crack it, and for helping you out, this is the batch that we have started, that is your NEET End Game, right? You can look at this amazing team, right? Look at this combo. Now you don't have one teacher for biology, you have two teachers. So parallelly, zoology, botany will go smoothly, right? You have two teachers for chemistry, two teachers for physics, and they all are amazing. We know how to deliver quality content in less time, right? We have been teaching from last many years, so we have that experience, that if we have 3 months left, so in that 3 months, what can we provide to our students for their better retention, for better marks? Okay, so what you have to do, you just need to trust us. And you can ask it from our NEET Avengers batch students. They are enjoying the lectures, they are getting everything they want. Okay, so what is different in this batch? See, we are, first of all, we are starting it on 2nd of January, and let me tell you students, that for some time only you are getting this batch at a special price of 4999. I think for next 5 months, next 4 months, I think this much you can spend for your NEET preparation, for your dream. We are not asking for very high fee, because we know that not everyone can afford it, but yes, you should pay for these batches, because then you automatically have that seriousness that I have paid, I have to be sincere, right? So bache, for Christmas you are going to get this batch at a price of 4999, and you know what you have to do. You can watch any of my video, any of my lecture, right? So you will find the link here. So enroll in NEET End Game. So you have to click on that link, students, right? And meanwhile here you have everything that you want, right? So when you click at this link, right, the Ambika 10 coupon code is applied, and you will get this batch at a price of, right, you are going to get this batch at a price of 4999. So you have few days only. Only 2 to 3 days are left for this price, and after that again it will have the same price. So enroll in this batch now, because if you will join this batch from 2nd of January, yes, you will finish in the same way. You will finish your physics, chemistry, biology syllabus till your April 1st week, and then there will be the revision and revision and revision only. Okay, so that's the coupon code that you have to apply. So this is what you are going to get in this. This is what you are going to get in this particular batch. The complete syllabus will be there. From scratch we are going to start. Most important topics, we are going to pay more attention on it, right? The most important and the most repeated topics. Then bache, daily lectures will be there, and there will be the proper schedule for self-study. It's not like that every day you have classes for 8 hours, 10 hours. No, right? Your classes are also balanced. You will get the classes in such a way that you will get time for the revision of that classes also. Then proper mock test will be there, doubt session will be there, MCQ practice session with polls we are going to provide you. Especially in biology, this is what you are going to get. After finishing a chapter, we will solve all the last 30 years question of that particular chapter. In my classes, this is what I'm going to do. So what I want your seriousness. I want you people to join this batch now, right? I want to see you people, right, from starting of this batch, that is 2nd of January. So be ready, people, be ready. And look at this part, look at this. I gave you 96 days biology revision plan. So these are the 4 mock tests. Class 11, firstly, give your class 11 syllabus mock test. Class 12 syllabus mock test, and you should go for 2 complete syllabus mock tests. So in the month of April, in the first week of April, this is what you can do. Okay, you can take time for the revision of all the class 11 chapter, give the test. Take 2 days for class 12 revision, give the mock test. Take some time for the revision of entire syllabus, give another 4 mock tests. And while giving these mock tests, please make sure that you are giving it at 2 p.m. right? Follow the NEET schedule. Train your brain in such a way that yes, you have to sit at 2 p.m. and you have to give the test for 5 p.m. Okay, please train your brain in such a way. So give these mock tests to analyze your preparation. So mock test here is very important. This is the main or the turning point of this strategy video. Now, after analyzing that mock test, it should not be like I have given the mock test, my marks are not good, I'm underconfident. No, error notebook, right? See, you are going to do it in the first week of April, 1 to 7. In the first week of April, you are doing this. Yes, you have the time to make the error notebook. Check that mock test and figure out where are you making the mistake. Are you making more mistakes in class 11 syllabus or in 12 syllabus? Right? Are you capable enough to give the complete syllabus mock test of 11th and 12th? Error notebook should be there, and revise that errors again and again. Trust me, revise that errors again and again, right? This is the best way to revise the biology. Biology can be a cheater, right? You think that you know a lot, but maybe when it is actually the show time, maybe you'll be blank. Sometimes you mix up the concepts. There is a lot to remember, and students, for that you have to put a lot of efforts. So make the error notebook, then go for the short note revision, and then again read the NCERT. Read NCERT as much as you can, even after it. So in the month of April, this is our planning. We are going to revise again. We are going to revise NCERT. We are going to give the mock test. We are going to revise NCERT. We are going to give the mock test. So trust me, till 31st of March, you can finish your syllabus. You will have entire April for the revision. So that is the beauty of this strategy. Follow this strategy, and trust me, you will for sure 350 plus marks. But yes, follow it in this way only. Okay, right? So once again, I'm telling you, be the part of this NEET End Game and see the improvement in your score. Even in first mock test, you will see the difference. You will have that confidence, students. Okay, so take care. See you all. Please follow our channel properly. Subscribe to our channel for such quality content. Take care. All the best. Thank you.